All right, go for it.
All right, there's one other feature to customize the fit of this particular harness to your body, and that's if you find the lumbar pad down here is a little too much pressure on your lower back. You can fix that and adjust it by taking the harness off, and I'll show you where that foam that's inside there can be adjusted. When you have the harness off the barrel, this is the back side of the harness, and there's a pocket down here at the bottom where the foam is, and there's a little Velcro tab to open that up. You reach in and you can pop out the foam that's in there. So you can see it's been curved a bit to, that's the curve that fits against the barrel. And this flat side is the side that would be against your back down at the bottom here. So to make that adjustment, you can pop this foam out and leave it out, and then that way it might fix if that's poking into your back, or you can shave down some levels of this foam, and you can shave it down using a saw, either a hacksaw or a regular fine tooth saw, or carefully with a utility knife. So you can make this foam shaped a little differently to do it in small adjustments until it feels exactly the way you want it. Spin this around so you can see the lovely logo. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. And are we recording? Okay. So this next little tip is about what how to store your barrels in between trips or at the end of the season to help keep them as waterproof and as you want them to be. And that is to simply unclamp the ring, and so it's not pressing the lid down onto the barrel for long periods of time, because what can happen is that pressing down will form a groove in the gasket that is inside the lid of your barrel. And that groove, if it stays compressed for too long, could end up causing a spot where water can seep into your barrel. So leaving it unpressed means that your gasket will expand out again and be ready to go the next time you're going on trip. All right, so there is a way that you can rejuvenate that gasket that's inside the lid and make it expand back to its original shape, and that's to use either a heat gun or a hair dryer. If you're using a heat gun, just be very careful that you don't overheat it and either burn, get it too hot where things start to melt. So I'm going to try this with the heat gun. You can probably see there's a wee bit of grooving in some of the spots of this this particular lid. I put it on the low setting. Okay, so now that groove, which was embedded in that gasket, has now expanded back out, and you're ready to go again. Refreshed and good as new. All right, this next little piece is to, oh dear, I've dented my barrel. Is there a way I can fix that? And there is. Again, what you're going to need is a heat gun or a hair dryer to help you do this, and also an oven mitt or a towel to help make sure you don't get overheated on your hand. So start by heating up around the perimeter of the dent. And basically, as you heat around the outside and work gradually in towards the middle, it will start to expand, and then you can push the dent out from the inside gently. So here we go. There we are. Good as new.